What's up, guys? This is Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making a coconut chia seed breakfast. This recipe is so simple to make. It takes about 5 minutes of prep and 3 ingredients, and you have a delicious breakfast that will keep you going throughout the day. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need are some chia seeds. Chia seeds are pretty readily available these days. I buy mine on Amazon, but you can definitely get them at Whole Foods, and a lot of local grocery stores are carrying them. To the chia, you're going to add some sugar. I'm using white sugar, but you could definitely try using agave or honey. Once the sugar is in the bowl, give it a little mix, and then we're going to add in unsweetened full-fat coconut milk. I really recommend using full-fat coconut milk. The light stuff just isn't going to give you the same flavor and richness. After the coconut milk is in the bowl, add in some water and give it all a mix up. You want to make sure that you mix it thoroughly so that you break up any lumps or clumps that could be in there. Put a lid on it and let it sit on your counter for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to notice that the chia has started to separate out from the coconut milk, and what we want to do is give it a really good stir. Make sure that you break up any sort of lumps or clumps in the chia that you feel. You're going to notice that the chia has really started to thicken up, so give it a good mix and then put the lid back on and put it into the fridge for an hour or up to overnight. When you pull it out of the fridge, you're going to notice that the chia has thickened up to almost a pudding-like texture. It is so rich, creamy, and delicious. This recipe goes great with some granola to give it a little crunch and some fruit. I'm using raspberries today, but I love it with bananas, blueberries, really anything that you have on hand. Hopefully you guys love this recipe as much as I do. Give it a try and tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. See you next time.